The 2024 Ferrari Purosangue, a game-changer in the world of luxury SUVs. Ferrari has always stood out as a symbol of excellence, innovation, and unmatched craftsmanship. However, the Italian automaker is set to make a significant departure from its traditional lineup with the introduction of the 2024 Ferrari Purosangue. This eagerly anticipated luxury SUV represents a bold step forward for Ferrari, as it enters the high-end SUV market with the promise of blending the brand's iconic performance and style with the practicality and versatility of a sports utility vehicle. Design and aesthetics. The 2024 Ferrari Purosangue is nothing short of a visual masterpiece, combining the sleek lines and aggressive stance that Ferrari is renowned for with the spaciousness and functionality expected from an SUV. The Purosangue redefines the boundaries of automotive design. Its striking front fascia features the classic Ferrari grille, while the rear highlights a unique tailgate design that enhances the car's aerodynamics. The interior is equally captivating, with exquisite attention to detail and a focus on driver and passenger comfort. The cabin features luxurious materials, such as fine leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum, all meticulously crafted to create an ambience of opulence and sophistication. The cabin layout ensures that both the driver and passengers are surrounded by cutting-edge technology, while still maintaining a sense of Ferrari's signature elegance, performance, and powertrain. As expected from any Ferrari, the 2024 Purosangue boasts exceptional performance credentials. Under the hood, you'll find a range of powerful engine options, including V8 and V12 power plants. These engines produce jaw-dropping levels of power and torque, enabling the Purosangue to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a matter of seconds. The precise figures will vary depending on the engine chosen, but one thing is certain: the Purosangue will offer a thrilling and dynamic driving experience. In terms of handling, Ferrari's extensive experience in motorsports engineering ensures that the Purosangue is not just another SUV. Advanced suspension systems, intelligent all-wheel drive, and adaptive damping contribute to an exceptionally agile and responsive ride, even on challenging terrain. This car can switch seamlessly from comfortable cruising to exhilarating performance at the push of a button, showcasing the adaptability that Ferrari brings to the luxury SUV segment. Technology and connectivity. The 2024 Ferrari Purosangue embraces the latest technological innovations. A state-of-the-art infotainment system, an array of driver assistance features, and connectivity options make this SUV a testament to the brand's commitment to modernity. The intuitive touchscreen interface provides access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced driver aids, ensure that the Purosangue is as safe as it is thrilling to drive. Pricing and availability. Ferrari's foray into the luxury SUV market is a significant moment for the brand, and the 2024 Purosangue is set to be one of the most sought-after vehicles of its class. However, this level of prestige comes with a price tag to match. Potential buyers should be prepared to make a considerable investment in order to acquire this automotive masterpiece. The 2024 Ferrari Purosangue is expected to be available at select Ferrari dealerships worldwide, but production numbers may be limited, so prospective buyers should act swiftly to secure their place in line. Pros and cons of the 2024 Ferrari Purosangue. Pros. 1. Exceptional performance. The Ferrari Purosangue offers outstanding performance with powerful V8 and V12 engines, allowing for exhilarating acceleration and top speeds. 2. Distinctive design. Ferrari's signature design language is carried over to the Purosangue, making it instantly recognizable and appealing to enthusiasts. 3. Luxurious interior. The interior is a combination of fine materials and meticulous craftsmanship, offering a lavish and comfortable experience for both the driver and passengers. 4. Versatility. As an SUV, the Purosangue offers more interior space and cargo capacity compared to traditional Ferrari sports cars, making it a practical option for daily use. 5. Advanced technology. The SUV is equipped with the latest technology and connectivity features, including a user-friendly infotainment system and advanced driver assistance systems. 6. All-weather capability. The The intelligent all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension make the Purosangue capable of handling various terrains and weather conditions. 7. Brand prestige. Owning a Ferrari, even an SUV, carries a certain prestige and status, which can be appealing to those who value the brand's heritage and reputation. Cons. 1. High price tag. The Ferrari Purosangue is expected to come with a significant price tag, putting it out of reach for many potential buyers. 2. Limited availability. Ferrari may produce limited numbers of the Purosangue, making it challenging to acquire one, even for those who can afford it. 3. Higher running costs. Ownership costs, including maintenance, insurance, and fuel, can be substantially higher than those of regular SUVs. 4. Fuel efficiency. Due to the powerful engines, the Purosangue is likely to have lower fuel efficiency, resulting in higher fuel expenses. 5. Smaller cabin space. While the Purosangue is spacious for an SUV, it may not offer as much cabin space as some competitors in the luxury SUV segment. 6. Environmental impact. High-performance engines often have a larger carbon footprint, and the Purosangue may not be as environmentally friendly as electric or hybrid SUVs. 7. Debate among enthusiasts. Some Ferrari purists may view the introduction of an SUV as a departure from the brand's core identity, leading to debate and division among enthusiasts. The driving experience of the 2024 Ferrari Purosangue is a fusion of performance, versatility, and luxury. Ferrari has gone to great lengths to ensure that driving the Purosangue is nothing short of exhilarating, even though it's an SUV. Here's what you can expect from the driving experience. 1. Exceptional performance. The Purosangue is powered by potent V8 and V12 engines, delivering remarkable power and torque. This results in lightning-fast acceleration and the ability to reach high speeds in no time. Whether you're merging onto the highway or tackling winding mountain roads, the Purosangue provides a thrill unlike most other SUVs. 2. Precise handling. Ferrari's expertise in motorsports engineering shines through in the Purosangue's handling. It boasts advanced suspension systems, adaptive damping, and an intelligent all-wheel drive setup. These technologies combine to provide precise and responsive handling, ensuring that you always feel in control, even during spirited driving. 3. Versatility for various terrains. While the Purosangue is primarily designed for on-road performance, it can handle a range of terrains with its adaptive all-wheel drive. This versatility allows you to take your Ferrari SUV on mild off-road adventures while maintaining a comfortable and composed ride. 4. Adjustable driving modes. The Purosangue typically offers several driving modes, allowing you to tailor the vehicle's performance characteristics to your preferences. You can switch between comfort mode for relaxed cruising and sport or track modes for a more spirited and dynamic driving experience. 5. Cabin comfort. Inside the Purosangue, you'll find a luxurious and well-appointed cabin designed with the driver and passengers in mind. High-quality materials, such as fine leather and carbon fiber, contribute to a premium ambience. The ergonomics are optimized to ensure that the driver feels connected to the road while maintaining comfort during extended drives.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.